Hello friends, this tool is in my hand. You can see this is straight position. You can see. Can you judge what is this? What is its name? How it is used and for what purpose it is used? Can you guess it? I think that only the people, those who have the experience, older people can judge it, but the younger generation is not able to recognize it. You can see its shape. Then I will tell you the story related to this. No, these tools are becoming the part of history because the new inventions has been replaced these type of tools, and we should preserve these old tools for the information, for the knowledge of new generation. This is called the yoke, Y-O-K, yoke, and it is used for ploughing with the oxen. One oxen neck is here, other oxen neck is here. One ox neck is here, other ox neck is here. So here at this place, a plough is joint. I will show you also plough and plough planner ahead in this video. So by showing this, I mean that these old tools are becoming the part of history. But we can preserve such things in our videos for new generation, for their information. And now ahead, I will show you the plough and the plough planner. With the help of that, the land is planned. After ploughing, the land is planned, and that these tools are no part of history. You can see, show it from close. This is in this way. You can see this way. From this side, this is. Okay. Now let's come. I will show you plough and plough planner. Okay. Stay with me. So this was the video. Hope you found this video useful. Please give your feedback below in the comment box, and right now allow me from this video to subscribe so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.